Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360, and today we're going to go ahead and unbox the Amazon Echo Spot. Now before we go ahead, be sure to subscribe to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you're the first to know when we have a new video. This is the box for the Amazon Echo Spot. Now, as you can see, it's an Amazon Echo device with a display on it, and there are a couple of details that's given at the back of the box. It has Alexa voice service, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and an audio line out as it's mentioned, and there are a couple of skills that are included on it, which include Amazon Prime Music, Saavn, Zomato, Aajtak, NDTV app, GoIBO and a lot more. It's available right here. So without waiting any further, let's go ahead and unbox it. And this is what it looks like. So before I go ahead, let me give you some information about the device. So this is the Echo Spot, and it's the first device from Amazon in the Echo lineup to have a display. It's launched in India recently, and it's priced at 12,999 rupees at launch. But it is discounted at the moment, and you can get your hands on one for 10,499 rupees. So let's just go ahead, unbox this and see what the Echo Spot is and what does it have in store. Here's the first look at the Echo Spot. So that's the first thing that comes out of the box, and apart from that, you have the charger. 15-watt charger with thin pin, and you have a couple of documentation and a quick start guide. So this is the Echo Spot, and as you can see, it has a display at the front and a camera as well. So this is a 2.5-inch display, and as you can see on the top, it has 4 microphones and 3 buttons. So there's the volume up and the volume down button, and this additional button at the center is the one which you can use to turn off the camera and the 4 microphones. So you have a 3.5mm headphone jack at the back, an audio out. It's a 3.5mm audio out at the back, and a port to connect the charger into the Echo Spot. As you can see, it's booting up. Honestly, it's a unique design. It's small and it's considerably light. Now it weighs, I think, somewhere around 400 grams. So this is lighter than the Amazon Echo and the Echo Plus, but at the same time it's slightly heavier than the Echo Dot. And yeah, so it's a tiny device which you can place on your bedside table, or on your work table if you want. So it's still booting up.
Ready for setup.
So the device is booted up and we will need to set it up. So we'll just go ahead and do that. So it's currently registering to the Amazon account, so you will need an Amazon account to set the device up. And since the device does not have a battery or anything of that sort, it will need to be plugged in all the time. Okay, let's go ahead, complete the setup. So confirming the time zone. So it looks like it requires me to download the latest Alexa mobile app and log in to continue, but there is a skip option, so we'll go ahead and try that. So it looks like you probably can complete the setup without using a smartphone, and we're going to try just that. Okay, the device, put a name, just going ahead with it, and let's see if we're able to set the device up completely without needing to use the Alexa app on the smartphone. Okay, so it looks like the device is ready, and we can try something. So we'll just check that out. Alexa, what is the weather like?
In Mumbai, Maharashtra, it's 32 degrees Celsius with sun and haze.
Oh.
Tonight, you can expect haze with a low of 25 degrees.
Alexa, go home. So as you can see, this is Amazon's first device in India to come with a display, and this is a touchscreen display, so you will be able to interact with it. It is still a voice first device wherein you can give in the command word and ask it to do something. So you can ask it to play some music. So Alexa, play Paradise City.
Paradise City album version from Sawan.
So as you can see, this is currently streaming on Sawan and not on Amazon Music. So we'll just ask it to stop. Alexa, stop. So I think it's currently paused the music, and if you want to go back to the home screen, the keyword would be Alexa, go home. Yeah. So from the looks of it, this might be customizable, wherein you can probably change it using the Alexa app or probably somewhere in the settings here. And the advantage of the display is that you can interact with it, and you also get things to try. So it does give you suggestions. So instead of it being an audio suggestion or something in the app, you have a display that points the suggestion to you straight away. And I think this is a new feature on Alexa Echo, which is basically it gives you trending news.
I'm not sure.
So I will just switch off the microphone so that it does not trigger every time we say Alexa. And as you can see, just like other Echo devices, you have a red ring surrounding it and the button glows red, which means that the microphone is not listening. And in the case of the Echo Spot, the camera is disabled as well. So talking about the camera, this is the first Echo device to come with a camera and a display in India. They also have the Echo Show, which has a much bigger display. So if you have someone else, a friend or a relative with an Echo Spot, you can talk to them directly using the Echo Spot. Like you can communicate between two Echo Spots via the camera and the display. However, if you want to call someone else who does not have the Echo Spot but has the Alexa companion app on the phone, well, this can place a call to them directly. So if you have friends, families in the Amazon, the Amazon Echo ecosystem already, well, this device does make some sense. Alexa, what's on the news?
Here's your flash briefing. From NDTV News, latest news.
Asaram found guilty of raping a 16-year-old girl at his ashram in Rajasthan 5 years ago. He's sentenced to life in jail.
So as you can see, you do get an option to check out the video as well along with the news. Like on the other Echo devices, you would primarily have to rely only on the audio, but with the Spot you can check the video and you can also interact. You can ask it to seek ahead or change volume right from the display. So it is you can interact with it. Now just make it stop. Alexa, stop. Alexa, go home. So as you can see, it's like all other Echo devices out there with the addition of a screen, and it does have skills. So you can book a Ola or a cab using this. You can watch you can get a daily briefing of the news via the NDTV News app and a lot more stuff, and you can add more skills. So it looks like an addition to the Echo ecosystem. And if you are looking to have a screen, like if you already have an Echo device and you are looking to add a screen, well, this is a nifty option. Now considering that it has launched at a price of 12,999 and the limited price offer of 10,499 does make it a little interesting. So what do you think about the device? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, for everything tech, log on to gadgets360.com.